What every insurance agent and financial advisor needs to know about personal branding. Personal branding is not what you say about yourself on a website. Personal branding is also not about having presence on social media. Personal branding is definitely not about showing off your awards or achievements. That's just bragging, not branding. Personal branding is not something that you can build. You, my friend, already have a personal brand because your personal brand is simply the market's perception of you. It is how you make people feel towards you. If it is positive, they will do business with you. If it is neutral or negative, they will not do business with you. So repeat after me. I already have a personal brand. The only question is, am I in control of my personal brand? And this is how to find out if you are in control of your personal brand. Now, say your target market are first-time moms, and imagine I randomly talk to one of them, and I will ask her, do you know this insurance agent or financial advisor? If she says no, you are not in control of your brand. If she says yes, I will ask her the next question. Do you like this insurance agent or financial advisor? If she says no, you're also not in control of your brand. But if she says yes, I will ask her the final question. Do you respect this insurance agent or financial advisor and seek their advice? If she says no, you are also not in control of your brand. You see, in order for you to have full control of your brand, your target market must know you, which is visibility, like you, which is likability, and respect you, which is credibility. When your target audience know you, you are at the top of their mind. So whenever they think about insurance or financial planning, they will think about you. When your target audience like you, they will talk about you positively and will even show you affection in the form of social media engagement and time with you. When your target audience respect you, they seek you out for advice. Better yet, they tell all their friends about you. And this is how you get sales and referrals. So if you want to be in full control over your personal brand, first get clear on who you want to serve, and then work on your visibility, likability, and credibility. And when you have full control over your personal brand, you will end up with more sales and more referrals without even asking for them. In fact, your life will be so much easier when you're in full control of your personal brand. So how exactly do you increase your visibility, likability, and credibility among your target audience? Well, there are 5 specific things that you got to do. And if you do them well, you will be like Jiale, Joyce, Wilfred, and Nicholas, top producers with great reputation among their customers and even their peers. So type personal brand in the comment section below, and I would send you a PDF that details the 5 things that you can do right away to increase sales and referrals without having to work harder. If you like this video, you will also love these 2 videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to type personal brand in the comment section below.